This is why Camilla may never be queen. Despite appearances, Camilla and Charles might not actually be married. You see, there is a legal definition for being a queen. You're either legally married to the constitutionally recognized king, or you're crowned a queen in your own right in a coronation ceremony first established by Mary Tudor in 1553. It was just kings until then, so she had to rejig the whole thing in order that a woman could own a country. The Empress Matilda could tell you how things were bloody unfair before then. Diana wasn't royal, so outright ruler is out. And she was not only divorced in 1997 when her car crashed in the Alma Tunnel in Paris, she was also injured past the point of living, so that's that. Those inconvenient facts haven't stopped 1,614 people in a YouGov poll insisting, by a large margin, that her replacement Camilla Parker-Bowles should not become queen when her husband becomes king. They'd prefer Diana's mouldering corpse to do the job, which would at least make Charles' coronation a global must-see. There's just two problems with this whole idea. The first is that the only way Diana could have ruled over us, had she lived, is if she ran for parliament, when ironically as a new MP she'd have had to swear loyalty to her former mother-in-law and perhaps one day to her ex-husband. The second is that, with the best will in the world, we can neither reanimate long-dead people nor skip an unpopular heir to the throne by gifting the crown to Diana's son and his pretty wife. The whole point of a monarchy is that you get the next one to have popped out of the birth canal. If you could choose your monarch, they wouldn't be a monarch, they'd be a competition winner. You see, legally the royals aren't like other citizens. The queen can't be prosecuted for any crime, because she does all the prosecuting. She can tell the prime minister she's wrong, privately express fears about Brexit that are actually heated, and has no need of a driving license despite being 91 and barely able to see over the dashboard. They also don't get to have civil marriages. Whoopsie. The Queen is the head of the Church of England. Charles and William will be one day too. Centuries of religious schism begun by that syphilitic tyrant Henry VIII meant that bit of the job is as important as breathing in and out. That's why royals have to marry in a church. Besides, the whole thing's moot because Camilla and Charles aren't really married.